Yeah. Oh no. I've been here since a couple weeks.
Okay,
Yeah,
long time.
yeah. Because I came originally to get my dental work done,
Uh-huh.
and then but I wanted to also do the face, so I said, well, let me
Okay.
check and see.
Okay.
And I had researched you, so I really wanted to do it constantly.
Uh-huh. So you got the dental work done here in the city or elsewhere?
Mm-hmm.
So what should I say is your main concern now?
I'm wanting to get my facelift done. I did it 3 years ago. You can see some of the scars. And then on the
Back.
mhm.
This is a pretty bad scar.
Which one? Yeah, this. Yeah,
When did
actually,
you get this done? Recently?
June in Turkey. You know, wasn't too happy with it. I was gonna let them do the face while I was in Turkey, but then I just decided to. So, but I did have them put a chin implant in. This was in June when I was in Turkey. So I just got that. And then he did a neck. So that's all I did when June when I was in Turkey. But originally I had facelift 3 years ago.
Okay.
And so I had a temporal lift, and then it's kind of like a box eye and a cat eye. But I didn't do anything with the forehead, and I realized I shouldn't do that because it's,
Yes. But for the forehead, instead of doing a forehead reduction, it's better to get the hairline down.
Yeah.
That's a better bet than to do surgery for you.
Say that again?
You can put more hair there. Take hair from back and plant the hair. So your forehead. Yeah. So what happens is we're doing a hairline advancement instead of a forehead reduction. The end result is the same, but this is not an excision. This is just covering the exposed part of the forehead with hair. So the forehead is just covered.
Okay, well, how was that process? I never thought about it.
So we can take the follicles from behind and just that's going to be a big difference for you.
Because I wear wigs.
Sorry?
I wear wigs.
Okay.
So normally
Okay.
the wig is going to cover.
But if you do a hair transplant, you're not going to do it again.
Yeah, yeah, because I wear wigs, so I only have my hair out today so that I can come and let you see
Okay.
how my original hair is. But normally, I
Then you let the hair be. If you're wearing a wig and you have to wear one and you don't want to get off that, then there's no rule doing the hair whatsoever.
yeah, that's what I was thinking because I wear wigs, no doubt. It's lace cap wigs, Indian Remy hair. Most African American women, they wear a lot of wigs and very long hair. So we like to style it and curl it. You can't do that with this. So for that, probably it would interfere with that.
That wouldn't make sense then.
Yeah.
So we let that remain.
But I definitely wanted to somehow just lift my forehead up and just kind of do.
It's already lifted very well and it's tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, definitely a brow lift, forehead lift, and a deep plane facelift. I was thinking that, and maybe something like the eye, kind of like rejuvenation there. And I'm even at some point want to get a
Nose.
yeah, no,
I think nose and the underline would be, and the chin if you want. Because even though they've done the implant, the chin is pretty big and not exactly right. It's more here and I can see it exactly on the center of your face when I look at it. And this is a point where the implant is sitting more and it's in this shape rather than like this. And also when you see the side view, it's still the side. So if you can, I think that's the couple of things that I would suggest to you maybe. Remove that implant, get a bony work done so your facelift gets exaggerated, jawline gets more defined, chin gets in line, and so everything gets fixed in one procedure. Then one or two procedures just nothing. And then the next priority could be your nose, and then the eyes and that. And I don't want to do anything to your forehead because anyway you're using wigs and I don't want to do forehead reduction. That's something I do for you. So it's pretty tight. And then these scars, yes, I can just take care of some time. But this, unfortunately, I cannot. I think it's too early now. It's just a few months, I think, since you've been there, so we can get that to
So what about the deep clean face?
you not need that when you do the chin. The effect is like a deep face. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, so no.
No, you don't need it. So the facelift is like this, alright? What I'm suggesting is the reverse direction. You understand? It's going to give you the same result. But we're not pulling it from around the ears, we're pulling it from the chin, and you get the same result. That's, I like to call it the reverse facelift. But since you've already had a chin implant, and the implant is a little bit too bulbous and not very symmetrical, we can take a scan and exactly see that. So the implant comes out, we don't need the implant, and I do a osteotomy, cut on the bone, and advance it with the muscles, so we get the jawline, the effect of a facelift. That's why I said, you don't need a facelift, you don't need a, you just gotta get done with the same procedure.
Why do you say I don't need this?
Because this issue is happening here now, and the jawline here is quite defined in your age. I don't think it makes sense to cut the existing scar, which is not looking too good. You just have a procedure. Yes. You just behind they've cut now in June, July. So I don't want to be going back in so quickly.
So
You'll have to wait for a year if you want me to go back in through that scar. And therefore I think it's not a good idea.
okay, because I mean that's why I was here for the facelift. So if I'm not going to be able to do that, then there's no point in doing anything because that's really why I'm here.
Yeah, the only thing I can suggest to you is that because you have bad scars already and some of the scars are fresh, instead of going in and doing a redo facelift, was a chin option. That's like a facelift in your eventual result. But you're not
Because
doing
when I was
facelift.
in Turkey, they were going to do it, then I decided not to move forward with it. Because I knew I was coming to India and I wanted to see, I wanted to be with you. So I'm very surprised to just hear you say that I wouldn't be, wouldn't qualify for a facelift when I was really ready to get one.
Well, yeah, you might be ready, but I think because you've already got scars, you've got a facelift done, you've got a procedure done on that in just July, and it's got a good idea to keep going back into quickly. So I think.
Okay, what would you recommend like at the time?
So I would recommend if you are very interested in a facelift, a similar look with the chin that you can get. Apart from that, little scar revisions I think, but not a deep lay facelift.
Would you suggest a later time?
Yes, you can wait for maybe next June or something, May, June. So that gives you like 10 months or 11 months from the last surgery. It's not really very well. Look at it.
This one right
Yes, I mean, it should have been better in 3 months. So,
And like I say, I wear wigs, so
Sure.
no one will ever see.
yeah, so, yeah. So
But well, thank you, sir. I really appreciate you giving me the time.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you,
so you
sir.
take care.
Okay.
Yes.